Today we are going to make this gobi manchurian recipe and we are making it in restaurant style, and the best part is it won't take much time to make. It's going to be very crispy out and fluffy inside. Best recipe to make in this winter, and I hope you will love this recipe. Hello everyone, I am Resma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Resma's Kitchen. Today I baked with a new recipe and I hope you will like it. And if you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Resma's Kitchen. And also hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications of all new videos. So without any wasting of time, let's get started. For making this manchurian, first of all we have to boil the water. Here I have about 4 cups of water. To this water we will add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we will add all the cauliflower florist and we'll boil it for about 5 minutes. We'll stir it once. Now we'll cover it and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Now the gobi is boiled, we'll turn off the flame. And now we'll strain all the cauliflower florist. Now the make manchurian very crispy. Here we will add approx 3 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch to the cauliflower florist. Here you can see it's done. Let's go into the next process. Here in a bowl I am gonna add 1/4 cup of corn flour or cornstarch. To this we will add 1/4 cup of maida or refined flour as well. And we'll put 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, and give it a mix. Now we start adding little water at a time and again give it a good mix and make a thick batter. Here you can see I have mixed it. To this now we will put 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic. You can also have ginger garlic paste instead of it. Again give it a nice mix. After the final mix, the batter is ready. Now we'll add cauliflower florist which we have prepared earlier. Now we will give it a good mix by hand. Here you can see I have coated all the cauliflower florist in the batter. It's looking perfect. Now we'll fry it. Here I have oil for deep frying and the oil is medium hot. Now we will add 1 gobi at a time and deep frying it. Don't add too many gobi pieces at a time. And guys, make sure you are frying it in medium flame. Here you can notice how the gobi pieces are started to float and started to become golden. Now we'll take them down in a plate. Similarly, we'll fry all the cauliflower florist. Then guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and give thumbs up if you like the video. Now we have to double fry the gobi to make it more crispy. For that we'll heat the oil very high and put all the gobi pieces again. We'll fry it for about 1 minute. Believe me guys, due to this step our gobi pieces become more crispy, so don't skip this process. Here you can see how the gobi pieces going brown now, and I am gonna take them down in a plate. The gobi is ready. Now we'll prepare the sauce for it. Here I have 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. As the oil gets hot, now we'll add chopped ginger garlic to it. Let it cook about 40 to 50 seconds. Now we'll add 2 chopped green chilies and give it a nice stir. Now I'm gonna add chopped white part of spring onion. We'll also cook it about a minute. After about 1 minute, we'll add a medium sized chopped capsicum. Again give it a nice stir and also cook it about a minute. Here I am gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt or as per taste. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper for enhancing the flavor. Give it a good mix. Now it's time to add sauce to it. We'll put 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. You can also have red chili sauce instead of it. We'll put 1 teaspoon plain vinegar, 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce. Here you can see I am using half teaspoon of sugar for balancing the flavor. We'll give it a good mix. Now I am gonna add little bit of water and give it a proper stir. Here you can see I have made a slurry by using 4 tablespoon water and 2 tablespoon corn flour. Now I am gonna add slurry to this about 2 teaspoon at a time and giving it a good mix. Now you can notice it started to get thick. Now it's the right time to add all the fried gobi pieces in the sauce. We'll turn off the flame now and give it a good mix. Now we'll coat all the gobi pieces evenly. Now I am gonna add some spring onions on the top and again give it a good mix. Now you can see our gobi manchurian is ready. Now it's ready to serve. Guys, here you can see our super tasty, mouth-watering and too delicious gobi manchurian is ready. Here you can see the texture, guys, looks so tempting and juicy. And the best part is the gobi is crispy out and fluffy inside. So guys, must try this recipe and share your feedback through comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and press the bell icon as well, so that you will get the new video notifications first. I hope to see you soon with one more recipe. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care and bye bye.